हेलो फ्रेंड्स एंड वेलकम टू क्रिएटिव एनर्जी। आज हम बात करेंगे एक न्यू पोएट्री फॉर्म का जिसका नाम है प्री वर्स पोएट्री। बट बिफोर स्टार्टिंग विद प्री वर्स पोएट्री आई मस्ट टेल यू कि अर्लियर हमने अभी बात किया है कपलेट का, ट्रिपलेट का, क्वाट्रेन, acrostic poetry, ABC poetry and rhyming poetry. So please watch these videos in my channel. You can get the videos in the channel of all these forms of poetry. और आज हम इसी के नेक्स्ट सेशन में बात करेंगे अभी प्री वर्स पोएट्री का। तो बट जैसे मैंने कहा कि प्लीज सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल, you can go to the bottom right and click the subscribe button and remain updated with different forms of poetry. Also you can listen to different poetries and short stories जो कि मैंने इस चैनल में ऐड किया है and tell me how are they. Now coming back to free verse poetry, this is the most used form by modern poets. It is the most popular in the present time, and because it is considered barrier free, most of the poets are writing this form of poetry. So free verse, as the name suggests, it should be a free verse, right? So that means there should be no rules. So we talk about rules. There is no line count, there is no syllable count, and it follows no rhyme scheme. That means you don't have to think too much about the rules in the free verse poetry. You have to pour your emotions and you have to write. And this is the reason why it is most popular form, because you can express your emotions without any rules. You are free to write any number of lines, any thoughts, anytime, and there is no extra effort required to know about the syllable count or the rhyme scheme. That is why this is the form of poetry जो कि सबसे ज़्यादा लोग यूज करते हैं. So let us see the examples. Hope. Can you see the brightness beyond the night, as if we are passing through a tunnel, waiting for the end? Isn't it life is always like this? The only difference that we can mark is the rise of darkness on all of us instantly. But this unity shall inspire to rise beyond the dark. This is an example of one free verse poetry. So in this form, you can see there is no rhyme, there is no line count, and there is no syllable count barrier. So now we will discuss about next example. What if? What if I could color your eyes with the sky, to gift you clouds, to dream and fly? What if I could multiply your smile like droplets converted into a sea, painting of happiness, to live with ecstasy forever? What if I could give you life without boundaries, to become limitless, to be you for eternity? This is the second example of free verse. As a friend, you can also write free verse poetry, and I must tell you, मैं ये जरूर चाहूँगा कि आप मेरे इन कमेंट सेक्शन में एक फ्री वर्स पोएट्री ट्राई करें. इट कैन बी ऑफ 2 लाइन, 3 लाइन्स, 4 लाइन्स, 10 लाइन्स, जितना भी आप लिखना चाहते हैं. So thank you for watching the video. If you like it, please comment and share and subscribe the channel for more such videos. So keep learning, keep writing, and keep enjoying. I'll be back very soon with a new form. Thank you so much.